Hello Leo, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to the channel. So this is the 8-8 Lions Gate portal reading and the messages and what is the meaning of that. In this video I'm going to tell you that, but please check your sunshine, moonshine and the Venus sign. Okay, so you are very important in this reading because this is the Leo gate. Okay so you are going to affect, you're getting the effect more. Okay, I can say that. So now let's start your reading, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So now let's start your reading and let's see what is the 8-8 Lions Gate means. Okay, so this is the energy of Lord Shiva destroying in order to clear the way for new creation. Okay, this is also called as Leo Gate and it is opening on 28th of July 2021 to 8th August 2021. So that on 8th August it is going to close out. So this is a time for activation, for the DNA activation of the star seeds, light workers and the twin flames. Okay, so this was the meaning for the 8-8 Lions Gate portal. So let's see what are this energy is bringing for Leo. Okay, so let's see what is this energy is bringing towards Leo. Please give me the important messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for Leo, which is important to deliver for 8-8 Lions portal 2021. Okay, what are the messages for Leo? No, I'm not. It just all fell out. Please give me the important messages for Leo. What is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? Okay. Wow. So the first message for you is that deep knowing. Then there is regeneration, clean it up and higher power. So this is beautiful energy for you, Leo. You need to clean it up. That is clear out the clutter. Anything which is not serving out, you need to let go that. Okay, clean it up, all the things which is not serving your highest good. Either it is in your personal life or in your job, or it is related to your career, or it is related to your love life, but you need to clean it up. Okay, clean all the dirty things, the things which is not serving your highest good. Okay, you need to clean it up. There is deep knowing and there is regeneration. So your intuition, your in your deep knowing, you already know that why this is happening in your life. Okay, in your deep knowing, your intuition is telling you that yes, why this is happening in your life, and this is happening so that you can regenerate the things, you can recreate something new creation, you can do that, and you are going to connect with the higher power. You're connecting to the higher power. Maybe there are a vibration and activation on your third eye chakra, on your crown chakra. So maybe you are receiving the downloads and the guidance from the angels, from the universe. Okay, through the angel numbers or by the dreams. Okay, but you are connecting to the higher power here. So this is beautiful energy here. Maybe Leo, you can see lot of number synchronicities of 444. Okay, or 404, 414, 44. That can be a possibility here, but that's the case here which I'm seeing here. You already know that why this is happening in your life here. Okay, your intuition is guiding you very much and you are aligned with your intuitions, so that's beautiful here. Okay, so let's see what are the tarot messages here for Leo. Please give me the important messages for Leo which I need to deliver. Please help me out in that. Why there is, what are the messages? Okay, please give me the messages for Leo. Please give me the messages. Beautiful energy for you here. See, death and rebirth is here. Someone is keeping an eye on you here. Okay, Someone is definitely keeping an eye on you, okay, through social media apps, WhatsApp, Facebook, okay, and someone is coming towards you here. Someone is coming here in your life, they're rushing here. Yeah, communication is coming towards you here. A lot of communication is indicated. So this is the communication which is coming towards you here. So beautiful energy here, Eight of Wands. Yes, that is the regeneration energy, death and rebirth. All things are happening, all things are going to end in your life so that you can create something new, and that's the energy here. So death and rebirth energy is here for you. Someone is coming towards you here, and you are doing the manifestation here. You are manifesting this person, you're doing the manifestation, you already know why you are doing it, why this is happening. So they are coming at a very high speed, and this person loves you. This person can be an air sign, water sign, or an earth sign, but sign can be anyone here. And there is a lot of celebrations which are coming for you, and you will come towards the calmer waters here. So this is beautiful energy. You can expect communication with this person through any social media app here, okay. Now let's see some kind of clarifications I need to do. What is this magician here? Eight of Pentacles. You're working a lot on this relationship or on your pentacle. You're doing manifestation. Yes, they are coming towards you, rushing towards you. Knight of Swords is here again. Okay, and this can be also someone who is, you are someone, see, Queen of Pentacles is here. So this can be your energy or your person's energy. This person can be someone who is financially stable, grounded, or this is your energy. You know you can give equal amount of give and take. You are someone who is very financially abundant, who knows how to manage your finances, okay. So this is beautiful here. Clarify me, King of Cups. Please clarify me why there is King of Cups here. Yeah, this is someone with whom you are already committed with, or you want to get married with, okay. This is someone who is your twin flame. 1111 card is also here, okay. This is someone with whom you are already married or you want to get married with, okay. So this is someone that is that, okay. Now let's see why there is Knight of Swords. Yeah, definitely Hierophant is here. So this is someone with whom you are having commitment, okay. With this person you are committed for a long period of time, or you are already married with this person, but right now you are keeping temperance, patience. See, this is your match here, Queen of Cups. You keeping your temperance, your patience, and you're doing the manifestation here. Queen of Cups is someone, you also love this person a lot, okay. You're doing your manifestation, you love this person, and Queen of Cups and King of Cups both are here. So you are the power couple, you both belong to each other here. Power couple is here. So this is someone who is coming in your life, okay. Clarify me, Eight of Wands. Why there is Eight of Wands for Leo? That's the Judgment, okay. See, bottom of the deck I'm having Lovers again. So that's the judgment you are making, or the divine is making here, or this person is making, but you're going to get success here. So this is the communication which is coming in your life. So this is very beautiful energy here. Wow, 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 okay. This is beautiful energy, I can say that. Yeah, this is someone from your past who is coming back, okay. So let me see, show you the cards. So this is someone from your past who is coming back here, okay. You both are going to come back, and a lot of celebrations are coming for you here, okay. And with whom you can get collaborate with, or you want to get collaborations, but lot of 3 is here. So maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 333. You both want to create 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles together here, okay. And in your deep knowing, you already know that you both want to create this happy family, happy life, abundance of everything. Maybe right now you can not sleep at night here, you're spending sleepless nights, but there is Ace of Wands here. So you already know that in your thought, in your deep knowing, you already know that who you love and who is your love partner, who is the partner with whom you want to settle with, okay, in you, and who is the person who ignite the passion in you. So you already know this here. Okay, again the Six of Swords is here. So you definitely you're coming towards the karma waters here, Leo. You're coming towards the karma waters here. Right now, either you are spying on this person or this person is spying on you. Someone is keeping tabs on one another here. Okay, through social media apps, WhatsApp, Instagram. Okay, that can be a possibility, and definitely you're going to get success, the karmic justice, victory in your love life. Okay, things are going to end. Death and rebirth is here. See, death and rebirth, that's the regeneration energy here. Things are going to end so that you can create something beautiful, and that's the beautiful energy. Two of Cups, this is very beautiful energy. Okay, this is the new happy beginnings which are coming for you. So this is the energy which I'm receiving for you, Leo. Okay, this is someone from your past. Okay, this is not a new energy, and this is also a soulmate card. And with this person you are already committed with 11:22 was the recording reading time. Okay, so beautiful. Now let's see more messages for you. Let's see what are the messages from fortune reading cards. Thank you for giving the messages. Please give me the messages for Leo. What are the messages for Leo? What is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? Okay. What is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? For this 8-8 Lions Gate portal. Any other message? See, again bottom of the deck, 12:12 is the recording reading time. Death energy is here. Death and rebirth. Okay. Definitely things are going to change in your life here with this death card. Okay, this is the death and rebirth. Transformation is taking place in your life, a time of natural transition and transformation. There is flowers, be generous, success and emotional fulfillment for are yours. Okay, and there is a world card, so be open to new possibilities in all areas of your life. You're completing a cycle and you are starting a new beginnings in your life. Okay, so beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see messages from Chinese fortune reading cards for Leo. What are the messages for Leo? Please give me the messages. See, definitely new beginnings are coming for you. But let me see. What are the messages for Leo? For this 8-8 Lions Gate portal. What are the messages you want me to deliver? Lot of abundance is coming for you. Wow, proposal is coming for you. So either marriage proposal is coming for you. Do not lose your hope. Wow. See, marriage proposal is definitely coming for you here. Okay, there is a marriage, there is a proposal which is coming for you here, and that is your destiny, which is written in your destiny here. Okay, there is a direct message from heaven that yes, your loved ones are safe and they are giving you lot of blessings. Okay, and there is lot of blessings from the divines. You need to open up to receive these blessings. Do not lose hope. Okay, keep your hope with you, Leo. Okay, and there's a lot of abundance which is coming for you. So this is beautiful energy. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one color for you. Thank you for giving the messages. What is the color you want me to give for Leo? One color. Blue. And that says you need to act. This blue color will help you out to activate your healing powers. Okay, so you can use this blue color to activate your healing powers. Okay, so beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what activations are starting here, are activating here. Your third eye chakra is getting activated. 1444. Definitely you can see lot of number synchronicities of 444 or 333 or 303 or 44 or 33, and your root chakra is also getting activated. So let's see what activations are happening for Leo. Please tell me what activations are happening. The passion is getting activated in you, Leo. The frequency of passion reminds us that beneath every intense emotion lies the hidden gem of insight, balance, and calm. It assists us in finding the balance within this intensity, moving us from chaos to the calm of its core, where we can let its long-lasting wisdom fill it up. So the passion is getting activated in you. Okay, so this is beautiful. Now let's see what is the message from Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. Thank you for giving the message. Okay, what is the message you want me to give for Leo? What is the message you want me to give for Leo? Some of you, your solar plexus chakra is also getting activated. Okay, see, that's your destiny here. There is something which is, yes, your prayers are going to answered here. Make a proper plan, okay, to achieve your goal, because you're lacking in making a plan here. And yes, your prayers are going to be answered very soon. And it is also been here the heaven messages here. This, yeah, your answers has been, your prayer has been answered here. So yes, you're receiving the blessings from the heaven, and lot of yellow energy is here. Definitely your solar plexus chakra is getting activated here. Okay, your solar plexus chakra is getting activated here, and there is something which is written in your destiny. Can you see? Which is written in your luck, which is written in your destiny, that is coming for you, and lot of miracles are also coming for you, Leo. So this is beautiful energy. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Krishna consciousness for Leo. Please give me the messages for Leo. What is the message you want me to deliver for? Okay. What is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? Any other message? Wow. Surrender yourself here, okay? Do not struggle. You need to surrender to the divine here, okay? Keep your belief and create something new, okay? New creation is here. So travel, if you're required to do some kind of traveling, you can do that, but you need to create something new, okay? Have firm faith in God and act. He will help you, and all your pains and difficulties will go. You need to act now, okay? Have faith in the divine, that everything is happening according to the divine plan, and you are exactly where you need to be. And there is travel if need to be, and pray for your work to be done. It's time to create something new. So new creations are, you have to create something new creation, okay? That's this energy is, okay? You need to create something new. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see one message from fairies. Please give me one message for Leo. What is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? Please give me one message for Leo nature sign. Okay, be receptive, be open up to receive the messages from nature as you go about your day. Nature talks to you continuously. We need to only open our hearts and minds. So yes, you're receiving some messages from the higher powers, from the nature. So you need to open up to receive, because there's a lot of messages from the nature, okay? Either it is through wind, animals, water, air, okay, just trees, okay? So just open up to see the messages which you are receiving here. So thank you for giving the message. Now let's see messages from the spell casting oracle deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? Please give me the messages for Leo. Wow, beautiful energy. You have to start working on your life purpose as soon as possible. You are having a life purpose, Leo. Okay, so start working on your life purpose as soon as possible here. There is lighten your load and transformation. So you need to release all the loads which you're carrying on your shoulders, and you're going through a period of transformation. See again, death and rebirth energy. Okay, that's the transformation you are taking in your life. So this is what the energy is, the death and rebirth. But you need to release all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulder. You're becoming more beautiful than before. You're becoming a butterfly. Okay. So that's beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what are the messages from numerology deck for Leo. Please give me the messages for Leo. What is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? Beautiful. Bottom of the deck, I'm having completion. You are doing the completion of the cycles here. And there is perseverance and new beginnings. See again, number 4 is important for you. And definitely there are new beginnings which are coming for you here. 2121, 2121 is the recording reading time here. So these are beautiful messages from numerology deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Okay, let's see what is the soul lesson which you need to learn. What is the soul lesson which Leo needs to learn? What is the soul lesson for Leo? Please give me the lesson for... I got 3 for you. Okay. First is grief. I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it, to create something new. Okay, so that's the soul lesson which you need to learn here, grief. And there is patience. I accept that everything happens in the divine order. Okay, so everything happens according to the divine order, to the divine plan. You need to keep the patience here. Then there is peace. I am being of love and I release all negative energy. So these are the 3 soul lessons which you need to learn, Leo, here in this time frame. So beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more message from the Scared Destiny for Leo. Please give me the messages for Leo. What is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? What is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? There is pleasure, protection and trust. Trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan, according to the divine order. Okay, then there is, you need to do the protection here. Okay, of your energy, of the nature, and there is pleasure which is coming for you. Okay, so these are the 3 messages for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the things which you need to surrender. Surrender to your full power, Leo. That's your card. What is the message, Leo, for the Leo? What is the thing Leo needs to do? What is the thing they need to surrender? Please give me the message for Leo for this reading, for 88 Lions Gate portal reading. What is the thing they need to surrender? Any other thing they need to surrender? Surrender procrastination and surrender to your intuition. Now is the time to jump on a goal instead of putting it off. Take action will attract success. And you need to surrender yourself to the intuition. Follow your intuition. Okay, you already know, in the deep knowing, you already know. Okay, your intuition is guiding you very well. So follow your intuition here. Okay. Tune into your inner voice. Be aware of any gut feeling, flashes, knowing or aha moments that come to guide to you. So follow your intuition. So these are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck What are the messages for Leo for this reading? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for Leo. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. Peace is coming for you here. See, that was also a soul lesson for you. Okay, that's a soul lesson, and yes, peace is coming for you because that's your intention to create it. You just need to learn the soul lesson that I am a being of love and I release all the negative energies from my life, and you will receive peace. And yes, peace is coming for you. Okay, thank you. Now let's see what are the messages from Moonology deck. Please give me the messages for Leo. What are the messages for Leo? Any other message for Leo? No. Bottom of the deck I'm having, what do you need to release? Okay, what do you need to release? You need to release that thing as soon as possible. There is communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. Maybe you are dealing with Gemini, but that is not compulsory here. And there is confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. That's your energy. Confidence is the key to the success. So keep your confidence with you because that is going to lead you to the success. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's add one message from the animal spirits. What is the message for Leo? Please give me the message for Leo. I'm getting panther for you, but let's see. Okay, what is the message you want me to deliver for Leo? Too many. What is the message you want me to give for Leo? Ground heart spirit, you need to this is the time to let go. Okay, ground hawk spirit is here. This is a time to let go all the things which you need to release from your life so that you can receive the peace in your life. Okay, time to let go all the negative energies which you are still holding on. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what are the messages from the angels for Leo. What are the messages for Leo? Please give me the messages for Leo. There is a healing energy which is there for you. Okay. There is a healing energy which is present for you. You just need to open up to receive, and which will help you out in healing. So that's the message from the angels. Thank you, angels, for giving the messages. Let me see more from the angels and ancestors. What are the messages you want me to give for Leo? What are the messages for Leo? See, there is shield maiden. You need to make plan and focus on that. I told you, you need to make plan and focus on that because you are not making a proper plan. Because of that, you cannot execute your plan. So you need to make a proper plan and take actions accordingly. And there is water guardian. Connect with your emotions here. You need to connect with your emotions. Okay, and there is definitely water sign which you are dealing with. Okay, there is a water sign which you are dealing with. There is someone who loves you a lot. You need to connect with your emotion, and that's the water guardian wants to tell you. And there is elder. Move beyond your ancestral pattern, break that ancestral pattern, do your ancestral healing here. Okay, you know better what's your ancestral pattern. You need to break that. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the life purpose of Leo. Please give me the life purpose of Leo. What is the life purpose of Leo? Please give me the life purpose. Wow. So many of you are the environmentalist. You are an earth angel, Leo, who was born to protect, nurture and teach about nature and animals. So you are an earth angel, okay? You are here to protect the nature. So this is beautiful. You have to start working on your life purpose. I told you as soon as possible. So work on your life purpose here. And there is counseling. You heal with kind words, wise advice and an empathic ear. So that can be your life purpose, to do the counseling here, because your words heal other person here. So these are the two life purpose which I am getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from Lovers Oracle. What is the message you want me to give for Leo? What is the message you want me to give? What is the message you want me to give? Okay, I got two messages for you. First is friendship. Nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship and your love life will dramatically improve. And that's very important. You need to be nurture the bonds of friendship first. Okay, friendship is the first message for you here. The second message is acceptance is the key to inner peace. At times you must accept things as they are. There is no point trying to change that is beyond our control. So you need to accept the thing as they are. Okay, so that these are the two messages which I am receiving here for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are your emotions currently in. Okay, what are your emotions and between this time frame of Lions Gate. Okay, let's see what are Leo's emotions, what emotions you are dealing with and what will be your emotions. Okay, what are the emotions of Leo? What are the emotions of Leo here? Please give me the emotions. What are the emotions? What are the emotions? Any other emotion? You are longing for someone, okay, but you will be fulfilled here till the time this portal will close. You will be satisfied, you will realize, you will self realize this thing. Okay, you may be longing for your partner or some specific person. 11:33 is the recording reading time. Okay, but you will be fulfilled here, that till the time this portal is closed here. Okay, so this was the emotion of you. Thank you for giving this message. Now let's see what are the signs Leo dealing with. What are the signs Leo dealing with? What are the signs Leo dealing with? What are the signs for Leo? All air signs and water signs are here. So you can be dealing with any air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra here. Okay, you can be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus. You can be dealing with fire sign, Leo and Aries. Okay, or you can be dealing with water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Okay, so these are the signs which you may be dealing with. So this was your reading for 8/8 Lions portal. Okay, I hope it will help you out in some manner, Leo. Sending you lots of love and healing light and beautiful happy energies to all my Leo who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, and if you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.